What's up, Diamond Nation? It's your girl Flawless Britny here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do these Bohemian feet and twist ponytail. This is my first time trying this. So anyway, I'm going to start off by styling my edges, and I didn't show you guys. I just realized that I didn't show you the edge control, but I use the Cream of Nature edge control for my edges to suit them, and I'm just using a fine tooth comb to style them as I want them to be. You don't have to do this. If you don't like swoops or edges or whatever, that's on you. Just don't do it. You don't have to be like, I don't like edges, I don't care. Then I'm going over with some Got To Be gel, and I'm putting that on top just to set them in place, because in Arizona it's really hot and this Cream of Nature edge control doesn't really hold up in heat, so I actually have to set my edges. So that's what I'm doing now. So now I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm just gonna part horizontally across my head so I can work on the front section of my head first. I'm using Shine and Jam conditioning gel with extra hold to smooth out the roots of my hair before I go in and start twisting. And I'm taking this Spectra pre-stretched braiding hair to add into the feed and twist. So in my last video, a lot of you guys asked me if I started off French braiding. I didn't start off braiding, I started off twisting, and I also ended off twisting. So I twisted the whole way through. Another thing that you guys were asking me is if I was twisting as if I was doing a Senegalese twist on the scalp. I wasn't. I was just literally twisting it, a 2-strand flat twist. That's how I was doing it. And then when I got to the end of the twist, I was doing it like a Senegalese twist, where you twist both pieces of hair and then twist those pieces around each other. So I'm going to be using this Bobby Boss Brazilian deep twist hair for the curly Bohemian look. If you're watching this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. I got a bunch of cool videos coming soon, you guys. And if you're watching this on Facebook, go ahead and like my Facebook page and share this video, comment letting me know what you think. And last but not least, I am taking appointments. I'm located in Phoenix, Arizona. Surrounding areas, you can go ahead and book me at flawlessbritny.as.me. And you can book an appointment, and yes, I can do this style for you. So this is how it's looking now that I finished the front. I'm really loving how this style is coming along. So now I'm going to do the back. And if you've been watching my videos, you'll already know that I don't use a mirror to do the back. Twisting the back is actually pretty hard. I mean, it's not as hard as braiding, but it is pretty hard. So yeah, you guys just stay tuned. If you're still here watching this video, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what's one of your favorite things about watching my videos. So after finishing a braided or twisted style, I always like to add some foam mousse to it. And you guys always ask, what does this do? This sets the braids and keeps them in place longer. So I added some hair accessories, and then I took some of that curly Bohemian hair and tied it around the base of the ponytail, cut it short, and then I'm adding some gem to smooth it out and wrap it around the base of the ponytail. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think. I love you guys so much, Diamond Nation, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.